Oh, no, don't skip the video. Come on, you know. Don't fast forward the video at that
10. Ready?
Yes. 10.
Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. You don't know, it's a guy, Wally, Rashi in the background. First and foremost, we're gonna kick it off. Happy holidays out there to everybody.
Happy holidays, everyone.
Happy holidays, guys, and I wish you a Merry Christmas when it comes, right? December the 3rd, 2022. Hope you guys out there feeling good. Everybody is nice and things going in accordance to the plans. Come up front. Come up front.
Hi, guys. As you know, we're in a decor mode. You see the house behind me? Just pure decoration there. All about the Christmas tree decor coming right after this.
Guys, you see how long we take? We're kind of late still because, well,
He's been traveling.
Yeah, guys, man, all over the place, guys. When I get up like 2 days, I miss it from my house, and it come right at the time when we are trying to prepare, get ready for our Christmas vlog. You know, we will not be doing vlogmas, but we'll be trying to give you guys videos very often. You know, may I say, and new intro.
New intro coming, guys, so we are here to talk about that today.
Guys, we think the one you are really shot. I'm gonna tell you if it's shot if you really like it, guys. We have a new intro, and this is a Christmas intro. You know, so. No, not that still. But guys, the intro I got shot, and hope you guys like it, and I hope it put you guys in a good mood. A festive mood for this holiday season. Really wish you guys like all the best of this season, and we will be sharing, you know, our experiences.
What we'll be doing this holiday, right?
For the holiday, guys. Trust me. So we're gonna do a countdown, and the video not go long. The video gonna be a night, not video. The
intro.
Not go long. That will just be a nice.
It's not gonna be long.
That'll be a spicy intro, guys. I'm on for dropping a comment if you don't love it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Drop a comment down below. There's something else we did want to mention. You know. There's something else very
about
important.
The intro?
No, about the intro.
Christmas?
Just Christmas. It's like for this season, guys, I want you to have a positive mindset.
Yes.
Every morning you wake up, just clear your mind, pray before you go out. Pray, guys. Always pray. Pray before you go out. Believe it or not, it clears the mind. I don't know if it gives you confidence, but it gets your mind ready for take on the day. Put you in a positive state of mind.
And speak positivity over your lives,
yeah, man,
you know?
Guys. Yo, with Christmas decoration, come on. You know, wifey in charge of that still.
Yes, man, guys. And stay tuned for that video. It coming right after this. And just tell me, just do it, Rashi.
So you ready for drop the intro?
Yeah, right now. So we're ready now.
Talk some more minutes. So how much minutes? 2 minutes? 3 minutes? Do some more talking, guys. Find something to talk about, man. Come on.
So guys, what I talk about positivity?
No, you're giving them a clue, the intro, like where you're having the intro.
Oh, guys, it's just basically things that we were doing to offset Christmas, things that we had on our wish list to do. We basically carried it out, and we basically wanted to share just bits and pieces of not even everything what we do, but I would say some of the highlights of what we did, right?
Yeah, of what's been going on.
Of what's been going on. Right, because we have a whole lot more activities planned for the winter season, and we really want to carry on along with us, you understand? Because what I'm trying to do is for persons who are aspiring to come here in Canada, I'm showing you activities that you can get done when you're here, so that in the winter we're not depressed, we're not bored, we have things to do. And also I'm showing you low budget stuff that you can do for enjoy yourself. So you don't have to have this bag of money for enjoy yourself. So basically we're gonna show you what we do for maneuver the winter season. You understand? The cold dark season, you can bring light to it. You understand? We're going to bring our Jamaican sunshine to Canada.
And we love you have all the guys, big up Russia straight. And as an immigrant, you know what I say, you don't want to feel like when you come into a new country, especially Canada, we're really cool. It's just all about being serious and waiting on the paperwork. There's stuff that you live.
Yeah,
that's why. That's why the government of Canada
we have
set
a
up
lovely
like
video
that.
coming up, but me not even telling you about that.
You have to live while you're waiting on your documentation. It's not just all sorrows, guys. It's happiness.
And also, when you get your documentation, you still have to live here. So we don't want to focus on Canada depressing, Canada gloomy, Canada.
No, and it's not neither. It's pretty fun.
It's fun and it's
If
your
you have
mindset.
if you have the mindset. If you have the mindset.
What I really want to do is just bring awareness to a positive mindset.
Big up all Canadians in the house. We're living here in Canada. Big up. Hope you guys enjoying the happy. Hope you guys enjoying the holidays. Whether in Jamaica, Canada, United States, Barbados, anywhere in the Caribbean, Africa. If you're watching us, this is a happy holidays from Russia Wally Vlogs to you guys, and we're gonna drop the intro. We're gonna do a small countdown. Hopefully you guys love it. The intention is not to make this video very long, but to make it nice and spicy and introduce our intro.
Yes, guys.
Yeah, man.
Don't skip the video coming on, Don't fast forward the video at that one. We're to the end.
10. Ready?
Yes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
3, 2, 1. Watch the video.
Hope you enjoy, guys.
Alright, guys.
You made it to the end, right?
Tell me if you love the intro, guys. That will be our Christmas intro. You'll be seeing that video at the start of every video. That's
over and over and over for the Christmas.
So
I hope you really like it.
Today is the 3rd of December. Today is Saturday. And you'll be seeing that maybe till January morning. That's what we'll be using as our intro, guys. Hope you love it. And drop a comment.
So until then, what you go? What can they expect from Rashi and Wally? Tell them what they're anticipating.
Yeah, man. Not one flat, boring set of vlogs, guys. We'll not be sharing Canada vlog. Well, it's Canada vlogs because we're living in Canada. But we'll not be saying how to come to Canada, how to be
every time.
Rashi promised you guys some live sessions, and we have to do it. Persons have their questions out there. You get the opportunity to shoot it directly at us. And that will be live, so you can get good answers, honest response from us. Because it's not all about just coming to Canada, getting a student visa, getting a postgraduate work permit, getting a permanent residence
working
status.
In Canada.
It's about experiencing your work, and you live here, and we can share what we know with you guys.
And hope for help your mental health.
There are a lot of things out there, guys. Reading a book cannot teach you.
True.
Reading online cannot teach you, and that's why you have persons with this platform who are willing to help in whichever way, because you don't have to watch only us. There are several persons out there giving good information,
and different
and they're giving from their perspective, so you can
different
capture
location.
Yeah, so you won't get the same thing from everybody. You'll get different information, and it's for you to put it together. So we won't be giving you that. We'll be giving you lifestyle vlogging and then some of that.
And for all those who are heading to Ontario, you sent me an inbox, private inbox. You said that you're heading to. Yeah, so you're heading to Ontario. Big up on yourself straight. I hope you really find it fulfilling.
It will be.
Yes, and who is heading to General Canada? I hope you have a good, experience here.
Yeah,
and you have good friends around you. Just the warmness, just bring the Jamaican warmth. And don't
if
forget.
If you have the friend, man, turn on the TV and watch Rashi and Wally.
Exactly.
Straight up. We don't want to post often, but we try our best.
Oh gosh, work have this one.
Yeah, man, we try our best, guys.
Busy.
Yeah, man, but we have to do this still.
Yes, so
we
far.
We do the thing we represent, guys, and we try to post often. But this is Christmas, fun vlogs. Hope you enjoy the intro, guys. Look out for the other video. It's coming shortly.
Stay tuned.